In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in the Squarespace app. This is a fantastic way to enhance your website's design, making it more visually appealing. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding a background image to your Squarespace website. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This will be your main workspace where you can make all sorts of customizations to your site. It's pretty straightforward to reach this area. Simply log into your Squarespace account and find your way to the Pages section of your website. Once there, you'll notice an option to edit various sections of your website. Now look for the section you wish to edit and click on Edit Section. This will open up a new toolbar with several options for customizing the design and functions of your chosen section. It's important to be specific about which section you want to add your background image to. This ensures that the changes you make are applied where you want them. With the section editing interface open, your next move is to click on Background. This will bring up options related to the background settings of the selected section. Here you can choose to change background colors, images, and more, allowing for a lot of creative freedom in how you style your website. Once you've reached the background settings, it's time to actually add your image. Look for the option that says Add an Image and select it. This will prompt you to add an image file from your computer or device. You can add new images here or choose from existing ones that you've uploaded previously. When uploading, make sure your image is of high quality and relevant to the website's theme or content for the best visual impact. Next, click on Upload File. This action will direct you to your computer's files where you can select the image you wish to upload. After selecting the image, it will be uploaded and appear within the section you're editing. Once uploaded, the image will serve as the new background for that particular section. Before finalizing everything, you'll have the chance to adjust the overlay opacity of your new background. This means you can modify how transparent the background image appears, which allows you to strike a balance between the image and any text or other elements overlaying it. A slider tool will typically enable you to adjust this opacity to the level you find most visually appealing. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This is crucial as it ensures all the changes you've made are stored and published on your live site. Without saving, any progress or tweaks you've made would be lost, and you'd have to repeat the process. And there you have it, a beautifully customized background image for your Squarespace site. Keep exploring the various customization options Squarespace offers, and you'll soon craft a site that truly reflects your brand and vision. Thanks for watching, and until next time.